This is version C of the quiz. So let's get started. So these are my masses. Now, do you notice how all of them are within like 20 to 30? So that means that my average mass has to be within this range. It should actually be closest to this number because 26.81 is the most abundant. So these are all percent, so move them over twice. 1, 2. Yep. So this will all equal 26.96. Now I have to figure out what element, which makes sense because it is the closest to this number. So the element with that average atomic mass is aluminum. Its average mass is 26.9, 26.9. So aluminum. Now, protons, neutrons, and electrons. 13. This one is the protons for aluminum. This will never change. So that means 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, all the way down. Now my neutrons, remember, protons plus neutrons equal my mass. Therefore, mass minus protons equals my neutrons. Now my mass number is right here. So all the way, subtract 13 from my mass. So 26 minus 13 is 13. 27 is 14. 28 is 15. 30 is 17. Sorry, this is a 13. So as you can see, my protons don't change, but my neutrons can. Now for my electrons, this doesn't have a charge. That means that my protons have to equal my neutrons. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be equal my electrons. My bad. So that way they cancel each other out in the charge. So that means I have 13, 13, 13, 13. Oh, sorry. Until I get here. So I have a charge of positive 3. So that means my protons minus my electrons, because electrons are negative, equals positive 3. So 13 minus my electrons equals 3. 13 minus 10